Hey there guys, Alex here from SPP, and today we'll be talking about 11 tips that you need to follow to have the best relationship with your clients. Let's get into it. Effective customer relationship management is like a game of building blocks. It requires a combination of strategy, communication, and tools to be successful. While it might not be the most low effort endeavor, it can pay off in terms of customer relation, loyalty, and advocacy. Unfortunately, not everyone masters customer relations. Some forgo them altogether, while for others it's all about the transactional elements of their interaction with their customers. Still, putting in an effort to go beyond this means tapping into a goldmine of potential insights and building a great relationship with your customers. So, how do you work towards that and create an effective customer relationship management strategy? I've got some tips for you coming up, but first let's discuss what customer relationships are and how impactful customer relationship management actually is. In its broadest definition, the term customer relationship refers to the connections, interactions, and experiences that a customer has with your business. However, there's a lot more to it than just that. In general, customer relationships are managed from two main perspectives. You have relationship based, where the customers come first and sales are generally made based on the relationship between the sales rep and the customer. And you have transactional or rule based, where the focus mainly lies on getting the job done. For a long time, rule-based business transactions have been regarded as better, and there is value in that. In a rule-based scenario, people are getting hired because they're the most competent and the processes are simplified, leading to more efficiency. They recognize that a customer base comprises individuals with different needs and preferences. They show empathy, extend themselves beyond their product, and treat the customer with genuine care. That kind of close relationship connects them to your business. As such, these companies put in extra effort to get to know the customer and build trust, which leads to better client retention and loyalty. Of course, offering real value in exchange for your customers' resources is still a crucial customer retention strategy. Ideally, you'll want to mix the transaction-driven and the relationship-based approaches to create the best user experience. Dealing with each client's specific needs and expectations can be a very time-consuming process. Doing it manually can even be downright impossible, especially when you need to have multiple team members accessing the same source of truth. Customer relationship management software eliminates some of these challenges by helping to streamline this entire process. With a CRM, you can understand customer expectations better, segment new customers, and access all of their data and information efficiently and securely. Here are the major advantages of using a CRM tool for your business. Process automation, improved team visibility and collaboration, customer loyalty and retention boost, enhanced overall customer experience, greater efficiency, and return on investment. Now that we've agreed on the importance of CRM tools in customer relationship management, let's talk about the 11 methods I have for you on how to build the best customer relationships. Focus on customer service and ensure that customers are never waiting for too long or feeling like their questions don't matter. Even if you're running low on resources, ensure that you find a way to deliver the best customer service and set the right expectations from the get-go. It's far better to reply to customers within 48 hours and let them know about it than promise a 2-hour response time that you're not able to keep. Some of the most important tips to increase customer satisfaction include focusing on their needs first, asking for feedback after every interaction, listening to that feedback, and ensuring that your quality is always top-notch. With active listening, you can better understand a customer's needs and preferences. You must listen carefully, read between the lines, and ask clarifying questions whenever necessary. Keep the following tips in mind to make sure that you actively listen to your customers during video calls. Maintain eye contact, avoid distractions, don't interrupt the speaker, ask questions when necessary, take notes, and show appreciation. Social media is a great tool for engaging with customers and building relationships with them that improve customer satisfaction. You can post surveys, gather feedback, and reach out to customers that have shared a post or have shown interest in working with your business. You can also respond to customer questions, comments, and reviews, and jump into conversations related to your industry. Remember that you might also have to manage less than positive reviews and interactions with customers on social media. If a customer has had a bad experience, don't just ignore it. Address the issue and offer a public apology. Also, try to bring the discussion into private messages and avoid displaying defensive behavior. Today's customers have high expectations when it comes to messaging. When you customize your messages, you show that you are truly addressing each individual customer separately. Go beyond a simple "Dear Customer" and use the customer's name, preferences, or past purchase history to personalize your communication with them. Keep in mind that good customer segmentation is essential if you want to reach this level of personalization. Also, you should make use of all the features of your client portal software to achieve this level of personalization. For instance, a project intake form can help you gather all the information you need to address a customer's needs. The more personalized your project delivery, the higher the customer satisfaction. Loyalty programs are a great way to reward your customers for their commitment to your brand. Whether you offer discounts, point programs, or VIP levels, the idea is to reward your customers for being loyal and encourage them to stick around. Being transparent with customers is essential to building a trust-driven relationship with them. That means being honest about your products and services, how you use customer data, and what they can expect from your services. It might be tempting to overinflate expectations to make the customer happy, but this will only hurt you in the long term. Asking customers for feedback is the best way to understand their experience with your business. Whether it's a quick one-question survey or structured questionnaire, or just asking your sales reps to get feedback from your customers regularly, try to gather as much insight as you can in this regard. Also remember that collecting feedback is one thing, but you also need to act on it. Creating and sharing content that is useful for your customers is a great way to show that you care. This might include informative articles, educational videos, or even podcasts. Keep in mind that quality matters more than quantity. Ensure that your content is useful and helpful for your customers before sharing it with them. As an agency owner, you want to ensure that your customers get their orders on time and without any hiccups, and that they're happy with it. To do this, you should follow up and ask for feedback. Just keep in mind that not every customer, especially B2B ones, want to be bothered after every project, especially if they order in bulk. With that said, follow-up emails or calls will help you strengthen your relationship with your customers and catch any issues before they become a bigger deal. Creating a constant branding experience is more than just marketing. Sure, your marketing team will create your brand's visual identity, but it's also important to remain consistent with how you communicate with your customers. This means using the same colors, branding elements, tone, language, and even humor in your communications. The more consistent you are, the more real and human your customer relationships are going to be. Referral programs allow you to increase your customer base without investing time and money into marketing. With a referral program, you incentivize your existing customers to share their experiences with your peers, thus recommending your services to them as well. A tool like Service Provider Pro can help you manage your agency customers, orders, and referral campaigns all from the same dashboard. This makes collaboration, communication, and transparency as easy as possible. Moreover, our tool was created specifically for agency-related challenges. You can rest assured that it will streamline your process and help you build better customer relationships. Whether we like it or not, relationships aren't an exact science. When dealing with humans, misunderstandings, miscommunications, and disagreements are always a possibility. However, with the tips that I've mentioned today in mind, you are better equipped to build a strong relationship with your clients that will last the test of time. If you apply yourself and try to learn from each customer interaction, you'll be well on your way to building great relationships with your customers. If you're looking for a client portal that can help you establish an excellent relationship with your clients as well as other features, check out SPP via the link in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching.